Hello and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we are going to be making flower hats. So I've recently received my bulb catalogues in the mail and also my seed catalogues, and I've finished ordering what I need for this year's gardening season. So instead of throwing these out and putting them in the recycling, I decided I'm going to use them to make some art. So if you have any gardening magazines or catalogs on hand, grab them. And what you want to do is pre-cut some of these pictures. Now your loved one could probably help you with this, depending on what stage of dementia they're at. They may enjoy cutting pictures out of a catalog. If they're not capable of this, you can go ahead and pre-cut some images for them. And then what you'll need to do is print out the templates. There's two faces, you can choose one, and it's free to print these out. I'll put the link in the description. After you've got your template, you can grab a glue stick, and then it's very simple. Just grab some of these pictures that you've cut out and start gluing them on to make a hat. Now I've used this project a few times with various groups, and it's been successful every time. People get really creative, and some of the hats end up looking super funny, and we have a good laugh. And it's also fun for them to all show each other what their creative projects turned out to look like. So it's kind of a show and tell kind of project, which is fun. So when you're cutting out the images, don't forget to include fruits and veggies, and I've got some birds and a moth, and you'll see a snail there. All of these can be used for this project. So once you're done gluing your hat together, grab some pencil crayons and then color in the face. So there's one of the faces done. And then I'll just quickly show you what the other face could maybe look like. Just as an example. So there you have it. A fun, colorful project that is great for reminding us that spring is just around the corner. Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have a YouTube account, you can go through your YouTube to subscribe to the videos. They come out every week. And if you're on Instagram, please join me at Art for Alzheimer's Care. Thanks and have a great day.